Have you ever found yourself not studying on time for a test or an exam, or not preparing well in advance for a presentation that you have to give at an important meeting? Or maybe even something as simple as putting off folding your clean laundry, or mowing the lawn, or working out, or keeping the promise to start going to the gym which you never get to. Well, if it has become a recurrent habit that you realized is actually affecting your health and life, but you can't figure out how to stop procrastinating, it is really important that you watch this video because it is going to tell you 2 very easy ways how you can snap out of it according to Dr. Andrew Huberman. Dr. Huberman is an American neuroscientist and associate professor in the Department of Neurobiology at the Stanford University School of Medicine. He is an expert in brain development, brain plasticity, and neural regeneration and repair fields. And it would surprise you to know that even the world's top scientists procrastinate, so we are not alone in our troubles. He explains that procrastination is what happens when we know we should do something, but don't have the motivation to do it because we don't like the activity, or we are just not in the right mood or feeling motivated enough because our dopamine baseline is low. What's dopamine? Well, in very simple words, it is the body's feel-good hormone, and when we have enough of it, we feel energetic enough to get things done simply because we are happy. That's the key to understanding procrastination and how to, well, not procrastinate. Dr. Huberman explains that a peak in dopamine is followed by a trough or a drop in dopamine that is experienced as pain or wanting or craving or some sort. He says that dopamine provides the propeller of motivation to achieve a goal. So when we are not motivated, we can't seem to get out of the dopamine trough or state of pain. He explains that a lot of people wait or procrastinate by doing other, less painful activities while trying to get into gear to perform that bigger task that they need to get done. They start engaging in less pleasurable activities, like cleaning the house out of nowhere. Sound familiar? What the brain needs at this point is limbic fiction, which is activation energy that you need to engage in a particular behavior or to form or break a habit. It is the energy we need to overcome anxiety, procrastination, or fatigue, and to move ourselves to get a task done. So what should you do when you have a lack of motivation? So how does Dr. Huberman propose to get over this state? What you need to understand is how the dopamine system works in order to help you stop procrastinating. He says that one way to put your body into a state of discomfort is doing something as simple as taking a cold shower or even cleaning around because of limbic fiction. So how does this work when you want to do something productive like exercise 5 days a week, but you get easily distracted by something like your phone and you just can't get to it? Well, Dr. Huberman says that latter causes less limbic fiction than exercising. So what should you do in this case? Break the bigger task into a smaller, more doable one that is less painful. But this may not always work for everyone. So what's the next option? Engaging in something safe that can pull you out of your dopamine low to a dopamine high again. Something cringier than even a cold shower? Well, that's what Doctor ordered. What do you think is cringier but still safer than a cold that can help you out of your procrastination funk? Drop it in the comments below and I'll even try it out myself. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to keep watching this channel to find out more about how to use your mind to improve your health and body right here. Bye for now.